Hello friends, welcome to Real Life Car. MG Astor base model style is by far the best car you can buy under 10 lakh rupees. In this video, I will talk about 12 exclusive features that no other brand is offering in their base models. So I will start with the headlamp. You get full LED Hawkeye headlamps with chrome highlights, which gives the car so much premium look. For your information, it's basically same as the top model. In addition to that, you also get an LED DRL, which is so awesome, so bright. MG didn't do any kind of cost cutting on any equipment on the car. You either don't get it or get the best version. The Celestial grille is also same as the top model, and the top model will cost you 17.38 lakhs. What's most amazing is you get 4-wheel disc brakes, and according to the brochure, you will be getting wheel covers even on the base model. At the rear, MG Astor style variant comes with defogger, wiper and washer. Not only that, you will be also getting rear fog lamps. There are a few safety features I want to talk about, like the MG Astor base variant comes with electronic stability program, ABS EBD with brake assist, traction control system, active cornering brake control, hill hold control, hill descent control, which is first in segment, and also emergency stop signal. Now let's have a quick look at the interior, and the first thing you will notice is the leather layering on the dashboard, door trim, door armrest and center console, also on the gear lever, steering wheel and driver armrest. So in terms of look and feel, it's exactly like the top model. You will be also getting carbon fiber like finishing on the center console, and what's most shocking is you will be getting the top model like 10.1-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system. Of course, you will be missing some software features, but the screen size is the same. It also comes with 4 speakers, no tweeters. There are steering mounted audio controls, and the infotainment system comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The air conditioning system is automatic climate controlled, and it's equipped with PM 2.5 air filter even on the base variant. You get 4-seat adjustable headrests with armrest for the rear passenger with cup holders, so no compromise in terms of comfort. Another segment first feature available on this MG Astor style, that is the steering wheel comes with mode adjust, normal, urban and dynamic. So you can switch in between these modes to adjust the heaviness of the steering wheel. This entry-level model gets central locking with remote keyless entry, and of course you get 4 power windows, but the driver side window also get auto down function. Another key feature of MG Astor I do like, that is you get 5 USB ports, 2 at the front, 1 at the top for the dash cam and 2 at the rear. This 3D Imaginator doesn't show the USB ports at the rear, but according to the brochure you get 5 USB ports just like the top variant of the MG Astor. Maybe MG decided at the last moment that they will include 5 USB ports and also wheel cover, but the salesman at the MG dealership said that we will be getting a smaller display without Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, no LED headlamp or no wheel cover, maybe not even the leather layering on the dashboard. So without this, there is no meaning of buying this base variant of the Astor. People are booking the car trusting the official brochure that is available on the official MG site. So maybe MG should address this. Overall, this is definitely a really value for money variant across the segment, even for the sub 4-meter SUVs. What do you think, guys? Comment below, and if you are first time on this channel, definitely subscribe to Real Life Car, which is a brand new channel on YouTube. I also have a Hindi channel called Auto Cafe. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you on my next review. Bye bye and take care.